Hey friends, okay, I am inside. It is late at night. Everyone else is in bed, everyone. And I am just up trying to finish some things. We did go to a strawberry farm today. So I have all these strawberries that I'm trying to quickly, I've rinsed and processing them because they were beautiful when we picked them today with some friends out at a little strawberry farm. And then we put them in the car, and it was a cold day. I went and had to put an extra jacket on. It was cold, but we went and had a picnic and stayed and played for a couple of hours. And I guess sitting in the car warmed up. And so the strawberries are a little bit sad looking. They'll be fine. I'm going to get them processed and either in the fridge or the freezer really quickly. So the video I have for you today is a fun little short one. I will show you a few photos of our strawberry farm adventures. I didn't take very many photos. We were pretty busy picking strawberries and talking to friends. Then I have what I think, I don't know, this may catch on as the new way to deal with June bugs. If you have an infestation of June bugs, stay tuned, keep watching to the end of the video, and you might find out one of the bold new ways to deal with June bugs that we have come up with here on our little homestead.
What? Good girl.
Does she know now?
I think so, yeah.
You had to train her. It's June bug training.
A ducky! You got one of them. You just eat it.
Oh, a duck. That'll be interesting. We'll see if the ducks like it.
Right there.
I think they will.
Yeah, they've eaten it. Good girl. You have to get it and give it to her.
No, I don't. I've done this before.
Ooh, you have to say something to her. That's what happened. Why did you put her down?
Run away, duck.
Run away.
Hey, did you like that little snacky treat?
You have to get it.
Maybe she just needs to calm down. Ready?
Eat it. Eat the buggy. Maybe if she wants it. Come on, eat it. Are you full? Are you full? Oh, eat it.
Well, it works with the chickens for sure.
Maybe the duck will eat the ones on the ground. So she cleaned that window.
Stop, get up.
Go this way, this way.
Yeah, come.
This way. Oh, shoot. She just...
Oh, no. Duck
She did it
squat.
on me.
Duck squat.
That's probably why she did it.
Alright, we're never doing this again.
So maybe we just stick to the chickens because this chicken is a June bug vacuum.
Dad, look Neil up.
Let me see. Oh.
No! Come back, what are you doing?
All right.
Are you full? Look.
Vomit.
It's just hilarious. Oh, she got it.
Eat it.
I guess maybe there's only so many June bugs a chicken can eat.
Eat your June bug. Eat your June bug. There's a bug in my hair.
In your hair?
Yeah.
Where?
It was in my hair. No. Okay, I think she's full.
You think she's full?
She did
All right.
the job well done.
She did. The wall is clean. The window is clean.
The floor is not.
Good job, Chuck.
Stop. Mom. The branches.
You got her already.
Good job, mate. Lift her up. Good job, properly. I thought it was going to be way harder.
I don't have to watch.
So this chicken has been pecked by other chickens. Do you think that's what it is?
Mm-hmm.
I think so. And this blue stuff.
Some dog eggs. There's dog eggs.
Is there?
Yeah. Really nice.
Is that's what you did last time on the rooster?
Yep, right there, Ted. It's right there. Right there? In the middle. Poop sack?
No, what is... That's his poop.
Not his beauty.
There you go.
Okay, so now it has a blue butt. I hope you got it on there enough.
It is. That's what we did to the back one.
Yeah.
It is done. It worked.
And it worked, and then that was Oscar.
I'm getting infected.
Yeah, I'll go wash it off. And then this, show me that. This was recommended by a friend who has chickens, multi-purpose ointment. Blue formula to deter pecking. And it totally worked with, well, with the roast. It did take time, yes, but they stopped pecking him, didn't they?
3,000 weeks. No.
Well,
Yeah, they stopped pecking him right away, but it took time to heal.
yes, it took time for the feathers to grow back.
Yeah.
Yeah, it did take time to do that. All right, let's go wash. So beautiful. There it is. I was just taking Matilda, she's over on the other side there, back to her paddock. And I smelt it. It's like, I can smell honeysuckle. Where is it? It's only just coming. So there's only a few of them out. But, They're so sweet. The kids have been waiting for the honeysuckles. So, oh, there's more. I'll have to bring them out here tomorrow. Climbing up this vine here. All the way up this tree. Okay, Zach helped me milk. He's taken the milk back up. Just got the buckets. I have to make more fly spray because it's about out. Do you remember we sowed the flowers right here a couple of days ago before we had all this rain? Well, something miraculous has happened. Look at all those babies. poking their wee heads up through the mulch. I am so excited to see that. That really is just such a, I don't know, it just feels like a promise to me, because it's like no matter how hard the days are, and sometimes they're really hard, whenever I see a new seed sprout, it's just such provision, and like life wants to grow and wants to thrive and wants to flourish. And the Lord's plan for that is so simple and beautiful, and it works given the most basic, simple ingredients. It's just full of hope, full of promise. I take great comfort in that. Well, I do hope you enjoyed that, and I am going to get back and finish these strawberries so that I can toddle off to bed. I am ready to lay my head down. It has been a big day, and we will see you again tomorrow for our next day on this 100 Days of Homesteading Marathon. Sunshine and raindrops, friends.